Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix weather app not working on iPhone after a 17.4.1 update. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings, and you have to make sure that you are properly connected on internet and there is no connected VPN on device. If there have any connected VPN, then simply disconnect it and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open your weather app and simply close it and check again after if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many issues. So guys, simply open your settings, and from here guys, open journal, scroll to below, then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to make sure that the location services are enabled. So guys, you simply open your setting again, scroll to below, then here tap on privacy and security, tap on your location services and make sure that the location services are enabled. So guys, simply go back again, and after that open journal again, tap on software update and make sure that there is no update on your device. If there are any update, then simply update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. After trying all these steps and you are still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to simply reset your location and privacy setting. So guys, here you can see reset location and privacy setting, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the audio, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.